Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends. A Unani system of medicine, we have regimenal therapy in our Unani system of medicine. Regimenal therapy, इलाज with तदबीर, special techniques or physical methods of treatment to improve the constitution of body by the removing of waste materials and improving the defense mechanism of the body and protect health. This technique especially we use for the treatment of different type of diseases. We have proper medication in our Unani system of medicine, but we think it's necessary for the human being some technique, some procedures, some methods where we apply for maintaining the health. For the Unani, in the Unani system of medicine, for regimenal therapy, we see the different books, different encyclopedias, and we have 36 types of techniques which are very, very useful for the maintaining of the health, for the protection and prevention of the health, and eradication of the diseases. Just like techniques we are using fasad. Fasad is a venous section. Number 2, hijama, cupping. Second technique, idrar ball. Another technique is a diuresis, tariq, sweating, ishal, the purgation. 6, hammams, bathing or Turkish bath, dalak, massage, kai, cauterization, qay, emesis, riyazat, exercise, taliq, leeching, hukna, enema, inkabab, inhalation, tanfis, expectoration, ilam, counter irritations, abzan, hydration therapy, zimad and tila, ointment and liniment, nutul, irrigation, etc. We have more techniques for the eradication of the diseases, and here we use a technique with less medication, with less oral medications, and we see the encyclopedia of Ibn Sina, Al-Qanun fi Tib, were mentioning all techniques with proper way of treatment, and we have all techniques along with advantages and disadvantages of the techniques and methods by the some ancient physician. Some important quotes or some important points, just like we seen in the pandemic from the 2020 in the month of March or April to 2021 the month of July, we have packed in a room or closed in a room for the maintenance of the protocols, social distancing. We have pandemics, and in this situation we have several diseases like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, autoimmune disorder, anxiety, depressions, etc. So where some important things where you used first, exercise is mandatory in the pandemic. So where is exercise? You walk or you take exercise. So just one thing we know everyone, if you are in a bad mood, go for walk. If you are in a bad mood, go for walk. If you are still in a bad mood, go for another walk. It's very important line. Can we implement this line? Or walking is the means of best medicines. Means regimenal therapy is very safest, very curest, and tested and trusted remedies or procedure for the health. Maintain health. Thank you very much.